Hello, I'm Andrea Walter, and I'm going to show you a online game called Gimkit. To access Gimkit, you can go through any internet access with Wi-Fi and go to the URL gimkit.com, Gimkit.com. This was actually created by a high school student who liked to be engaged and wanted to create something new that he could use to play in class as well as future students. This is free. To create an account, you just click sign up. You can continue with Google or just enter any other email address. So if I create my account and log in through my Google, I'm able to see some different things. I can upgrade to Gimkit Pro, which does cost money, but the free version has a lot of capabilities that you can use with your classroom. So some different things that you can do. To get started, you just click New Kit. You can name the kit, choose the language that it is in, and then your subject area. You can create a cover photo. Since mine was about math, I'm going to choose the one about a calculator. That's just the image that will be displayed on the home screen. We can add questions. There's only two types of questions that can be added, either a multiple choice or a text input. I can type a question, 5 plus 2 equals, and I can choose type the correct answers and incorrect answers and add that question. I also have the capability to add a photo or video or audio. This is a really cool thing. Collaborate with Gimkit, which is one way that students can create the questions. The teacher approves them, and then you can play the Gimkit based on their questions. You can also add from a question bank. So if you click that, it has different Gimkits that other teachers have created that you can scroll through and add all questions or select the questions that you want to add. You can also create all your questions on a spreadsheet using a couple different templates and then importing the spreadsheet instead of having to add each question individually. Let's say that I have finished adding all my questions that I need to. All I have to do is click all done. That saves and it adds it to my home screen. Gimkit could really be used as a formative or assessment or a summative assessment. I think a lot of different content areas could use this. I know that I'm an elementary teacher and I've used it for lots of different content, math, science, social studies, ELA, and even some grammar stuff. The Bloom's taxonomy kind of depends on the type of questions that you create. Most of them are probably going to be the lower half, remembering or understanding. The SAMR depends again on the purpose of how you use it. Substitution, it's just a substitute for an assignment or a quiz that the teacher can use. You could also have used augmentation, which replaces those assignments or quizzes, but then also inserting those images or videos to reach the different learning styles. And then again, that Gimkit can really be used for the redefinition, where the students get to create their questions or their own kits and then play that really drives their own learning. The other thing that you can do is go up here to search kits and type anything from subtraction. If I didn't want to take the time to do my own subtraction, and kind of go through, I can filter by language and subject, or kind of sort by what they view as the most relevant or recent. And kind of scroll through, and the good thing is I can see the question preview over here, and so I can use any pre-made Gimkits as well in my classroom. And this is just a little presentation about Gimkit and the ways that you can use it in many different classrooms.